Stepn cost investigation. As indicated by our ongoing Stepn cost forecast, the worth of Stepn will expanded by 261.95%, coming to $1.08 by end of 2025. All specialized markers demonstrate that the fundamentally current opinion is negative, while the trepidation and covetousness file is perusing 21.80, which in every practical sense implies intense apprehension, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our Stepn figure. It's hazardous to truly sell Stepn at the present time. On walk 11, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall negative opinion among Stepn cost expectations. See the specific Stepn cost expectation beneath. You will for the most part know the amount Stepn is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout the course of recent days, Stepn in every way that really matters has in a real sense diminished by 38.65%. Which is very huge. Because of this, we can generally get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Stepn expanded by 116.61% and came to approach around 65 cents. At present, all markers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and covetousness list shows 21.80 intense feelings of dread, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. As per our estimate, this isn't the ideal opportunity to sell Stepn, most certainly. As of now, Stepn is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving normal, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. For the very most recent 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Stepn selling signal. The cost of Stepn certainly is presently running beneath the 50-day basic moving really normal, SMA, and it shows a sell signal, or so they thought. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will commonly hit 48 cents toward the finish of December. Amazingly, by December 2023, 2024, Stepn's transient 50-day SMA, all things considered, shows a 46 cent. The exceptionally relative strength list, RSI, energy oscillator, is a well-known pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money in every practical sense is oversold under 30 or overbought over 70 in a truly significant way. RSI is presently at or Civilu. This demonstrates that the GMT market is in a nonpartisan position, which is very huge. Stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023. In the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023, Stepn came to 67 cents when it dipped under 23 cents, interestingly since January 2021, or so they thought. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Stepn is headed to passing the 66 cents mark before the current year's over. Before 66 cents, it might break its characteristic of $4.11 and explicitly reach, as per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Stepn will break its past all-time essentially high of $4.11 and certainly hold somewhere in the range of 50 cents and 66 cents soon in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, on 11 walk 2023, Stepn really is exchanging at 30 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 70.76 M. And it makes number 152 money in the exceptionally entire crypto world. Stepn value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Stepn can get through the 76 cents obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. Certainly the least Stepn cost will be between 64 cents to 76 cents. And the most probable Stepn cost will be consistent at around 73 cents. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Stepn's truly wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its ecologically hostile energy use, Tycoon Adventure certainly entrepreneur Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Stepn will reach 76 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Stepn value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists foresee that GMT will begin the year at 88 cents and exchange around $1.08. As per their expectations, this would be incredibly extremely high contrasted with absolute a year ago. This explicitly is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. STEPN Value Forecast 2026. There in a real sense is a decent opportunity that STEPN 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not basically arrive at its normal sort of most extreme $1.34 level. STEPN truly is in a real sense anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high of $1.28 or $1.34 in 2026, and it could basically be the extended time of STEPN, or so they thought. STEPN Value Forecast 2027. STEPN Value Expectation, or GMT, will encounter gigantic development in 2027, as it sort of has the very potential to accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. STEPN's cost is supposed to outperform $1.34 in 2027. Amazingly, it generally has been in every practical sense anticipated that STEPN will arrive at the truly most extreme cost of $1.34, and the essentially least cost is supposed to by and large be around $1.15 in the following a long time from 2027. STEPN conjecture 2028 market examiners and specialists sort of foresee say that STEPN value expectation and specialized examination, STEPN, basically is supposed to cross a value level of $1.63 in 2028, which is very critical. In the meantime, STEPN for the most part is supposed to especially arrive at a genuinely least cost of $1.42 this year. Amazingly, the greatest cost might reach $1.64 in a significant manner. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the STEPN value forecast and specialized examination foresee that the expense of STEPN will reach $2.20, and the cost of GMT ought to reach $2.20 before the year is over, which is genuinely critical. What's more, GMT can in every practical sense reach up to $2.02 in value, which is very huge. From 2024 to 2029, delay will bring huge years for STEPN development, or so they certainly thought. GMT value expectation 2030. Out of 2030, STEPN value expectation are supposed to basically cross the $3.08 genuinely normal cost level, as per STEPN estimate and specialized examination. Toward the finish of 2030, STEPN's genuinely least cost in every practical sense is supposed to be $2.92. Moreover, GMT can arrive at a most extreme value level of $3.14 in an unobtrusive manner. Toward the finish of 2030, STEPN will have a typical cost of $3.14. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN value expectation 2031. STEPN cost generally is assessed to really reach $4.11 by 2031, at especially least in an unpretentious way, with a typical exchange